Welcome back to the High Table Podcast, the entertainment side of things. I'm bringing you some updates, some news, some whatever that is happening. Guys, you know this guy? We see. I know about when I might drop in the music video, but I'll drop it. The Rofi one hell of a talent, man. Gospel, or has been killing it on the gospel, doing great on the traditional and conventional boss gospel. But right now, naka reggae, naka mini, nroto tongorela jinoni muzikani. Uita zunyezo wori watu wa kusutakalera nga manda di mtu anojidaka muzika hai watu sumbeza mavalo muzika itiso hani. So there's a track in here bizofi Zwanga Zulugi nurindi tamini ndechijodana ndatamini inabugana manga ngoma bona bazifo zori the Ghana my reggae kana mini, but the track is way dope and the track in echi roba those for Zwanga Zulugi ndo jodana ina Mariana and azukuluga. So guys, let me play you this clip magumoni nini wanakuwa wanene paka side. I'm gonna play it for you and for magumoni wata ifazwa buduri uko rimini msuwana hononi achiamba chiri Zwanga Zulugi Zwanga Soko Ganama Zwa Kodro Zwe ngadzina ndikadiwa ndiyo no land wa mangoni ufas godine nengere ko jina riko banyuluza hote riko viriluza uri badisele suzote hezwi ne ndibafuna zone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If bakori ronga WhatsApp, please text ba ambe zwini vakwamba zone zothe zoperera not uri hi how who repedzeve geriko lumelisana. Just hit us up 0269371124 Zwanga Zulugi.
Nenditota mana bamwe bachichimira wofarana bada wofarana tsikundu ndendo visa mato. Nenditota mana bamwe bachirengerana maluva dzichocolate bachia bimufi bachia dzipikiniki mawewe nidodzura nikombe kani Zwanga Zulugi zvisoko ganama Zwanga Zulugi zvisoko ganama ndojola na chipiwa